Hello hockey card collectors, this is the Scruffy Bear from Scruffybear.ca, and we're here for another break today. But before I get into that, when we get to 100 subscribers, I've been saying we're going to give away this $100 worth of cards. There's 4 major big hits in here. Okay? Well, the subscriber base has seemed to have stalled, and I'm going to try something different. So, when we get to 100 subscribers, the winner of our contest will have a chance for one of these. They can pick. When I say with the let's go with the contest, I'll give you the instructions, and you can choose either $100 worth of cards, 4 big hits, or this rookie class 2007-8. If you look back about a month ago, I did a break on this, so you can see actually who is in there if you want to watch that break. It's got one oversized commemorative card of a star rookie. It's got a rookie card of Jonathan Toews, Patrick Kane, Carey Price, Jack Johnson, Nicholas Backstrom, Sam Gagner, and many more. There's 50 rookie cards in this box. So, something a little different. You can either win $100 worth of cards with 4 major hits, or you can win that box of rookie class with 50 rookies in it and some of the bigger names. In the meantime, today what we're going to do is we're going to break and try to get Jack Hughes or Quinn Hughes. I just settled for Rasmus Sandin or Adam Fox. But I haven't picked up anything lately at Walmart or anything in the other places I shop for cards. So we'll do another tin today, and hopefully I'm going to get those guys, or one of those 4 at least. Spring is here, playoffs coming up soon. And there's our packs. Put our tin over here. And we've got our packs. There's really like 9 and 1 rookie pack. Let's try the rookie pack and see what we get today. Okay, we got Erik Brannstrom, Ryan Poehling, and a gold, or is that a copper, of Erik Brannstrom. Well, it's one of those anyways. Okay, well, we usually get 2 young guns in a tin. Maybe a third. I've had as many as 4. Foegele, Gustafsson, Buchanan, TJ Oshie, Sidney Crosby, Pietrangelo, Yandel, and Calvert. Wow, that's not good. Starts off with a base pack. I've got as many as 4 because there's where some in the order of the case, whatever, you can get 3, and maybe even a young gun canvas to make it 4. Zucker, Fowler, Hellebuck. Oh my God! Add your expletive here. Jack Hughes. Finally, I got Jack Hughes. I can't believe this. Whoa. Reinhardt, Faust, Lindbaum, and Forsberg. Whoa, Jack Hughes. Finally got him. Now to get his brother, Quinn. Okay, and we got Koskinen, Nick Bonino, Thomas Hertel, Kempy, and a UD portrait of Carey Price. Brad Marchand, bogus. I can always say his name, Zach Bocasian. But I can't when I'm in front of a camera for some reason. Ricard Raquel. Bogasian. Was on the lease for a year. Went back to Tampa. Anyways. Perron, Vetrano, Cicerelli, Chitrin, Wheel, Morgan Riley, the Nuge, and Tyler Johnson, another base pack. That's the problem with retail. You get some base packs though sometimes in the hobby boxes too, so no one's safe. Got Dumba, Pacioretty, Deneau, and a UD canvas of Alex Ovechkin, giving somebody a nice hug. Spread the love around. Kovalchuk, Leddy, Atkinson, and Borkstrand. Okay, we got Martin Jones, JVR, Barzell, Lindholm, and Jimmy Schultz. Schultz, or I don't know how to pronounce that one. Young Gun. Ryan Reeves, Lars Eller, and Russell. Well, there's my two Young Guns. Unless it's in the right place in the case. I might get a third. And we got Sagan, Ryan Strome, Daughtery, Fischler, Stone, Radulov, Hannafin, and Klingberg. Another base pack. Okay, Clefbaum, Knutsov, Brett Burns, a shooting star, red, of Carter Hart. Not bad. Lundqvist, Bertuzzi, Pesce, and Turris. Last pack. Tatar, Josh Anderson, Dylan Strome, Patrick Kane portraits, and Silverberg, Morrissey, Borgstrom, and Sam Bennett. And that's it. That's our break for today. Quick summary. Patrick Kane portrait, Carter Hart red shooting stars, Jimmy Schultz Young Guns, Alex Ovechkin canvas, Carey Price portraits, Jack Hughes, and the corners look okay. Yeah, there we go. And then we got our rookies, two of Brandstrom and a Paling. Well, I hope everybody's staying safe. That's it for today. If you like this video, give it a like. If you want to see more videos or get into our contest, subscribe. And if you want to leave it, add anything to this break, leave a comment. Let us know how you feel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next break. Bye now.